cute, that buzzer.
What she use them for?
She
Oh, I thought she used them for like...
Why would I use one pee-pee foam stuff like
Who said it was for the pee-pee?
You?
Stupid. I never even said that. Did I say that? Answer that, Charmaine. Did I say that?
You just said what she used that for. Now his hair gonna go even. Oh, they gonna notice.
I'm not supposed to cut his hair, you know.
Says you're the Filipino.
Stupid Filipino. Oh, you good at? You know where your hair gonna get cut. Oh shit, you're going basic training.
Just like that. Should be even with the fact that his bald spot head. Wait, where did they go? I think they went doctor.
They went doctor for my mom's feet.
I think it's maybe to check if it's swelling so she can get the things out.
What'd she use that for?
What else would a person use one hair color stuff for?
I don't know, but you better give him a bath.
Oh, honey, look, you get hair by your eye.
Here, let me do it now. So I can...
Yes.
Okay, I help you, you superheroes.
Oh, I never got that.
Man, gotta tilt his head. Put him on, like, burping time.
Make sure you don't move his hair.
What kind of cut do you want, man?
Just get that ugly crap off the bottom. It looks like he's balding.
Don't say that.
A lot, telling.
I won't tell the dad.
He says it himself. I'm just, what is that? Quoting him. Hey, you, put that back on.
I'm not gonna fucking...
You're gonna fucking give him a rat bite.
I'm not.
Like dick. That's a lot shorter. You hold him, please.
I told you I want to do some too.
Damage. Fix all of this problem.
I know. If you did it right the first time, it would have been different.
There's a lot of hair everywhere, so that's it. Oh my god, I'm really almost taking it. Let me see that.
Nate!
Oh, wait. No, turn the roll off. He looks older. Huh? Hello. Hi, honey bear. I swear.
You might have to face the other way. Flip it
Fix
backwards.
this one.
His front is good.
All of this extra hair, too.
What extra hair?
All of this front.
this gonna be your first trip?
Here.
At 5 months.
I'm never gonna go barbershop. Daddy.
That looked like a big pimple in the middle of the sun. What is that?
This is, you know the alien stamp? Like,
Are you serious?
What alien stamp?
your diabetes thing, I don't know. Chicken pox or pork pox or something.
Chicken pox? Smallpox? No way. I'm getting them all.
I just like it all in here.
Oh, you should have made a faux hawk.
With what? The 5 strands of hair on his head.
Look like Homer Simpson. Not even do your hair.
Hey, you can't see his bald spot. Not really. But whatever it's
Can you not fucking tell me what to do?
You tend to miss things.